KitchenAid blenders are the first choice for many, but not every model suits every maker's needs. These 5 factors should help guide you to the blender that's right for you. Capacity, power, function, control, color. The first thing to consider when buying a new KitchenAid countertop blender is capacity. Our impressive 3-speed ice crushing blender offers a jar size of 48 ounces for blended creations like frozen drinks and smoothies. The K400 variable speed blender offers more room to blend with a 56-ounce capacity jar. Finally, both the High Performance Series blender and the Pro Line Series blender come standard with 60-ounce blending jars. Each of our countertop blenders uses the power of the KitchenAid 3-part blending system. The ribbed jar creates a vortex that pulls ingredients into an asymmetrical blade that cuts 4 separate ways, optimizing the blend by never retracing the same path. IntelliSpeed motor control senses contents in the blender and adjusts accordingly. The K150 3-speed blender, for instance, can crush ice in under 10 seconds. The K400 variable speed blender blends with ease to take whole foods to smoothie in 20 seconds. The K600 High Performance Series blender ratchets the power up to a 3-peak horsepower motor with a range of variable speeds that deliver nuanced flavors. And the Pro Line series turns it up even higher with its 3.5-peak horsepower motor, empowering you to explore professional possibilities whenever you feel inspired. Functionality can be crucial when deciding on a new blender. The K150 3-speed ice crushing blender can crush ice and blend smoothies. The K400 and K600 blenders can get smooth results on tough ingredients to make nut butters, sauces, and more. And Pro Line series blenders with thermal control jar can create optimal texture, hot or cold. Each of our countertop blenders offers its own unique set of controls, variable speeds, and blending programs. The IntelliSpeed motor control in each KitchenAid blender senses the ingredients and adjusts accordingly. The soft start feature even prevents splatter, so you can control with confidence. The K150 blender features an ice crush setting, in addition to 3 different speeds. The K400 blender offers a 5-speed dial that offers a range of precise speeds. The High Performance has 9 variable speeds and pulse. And finally, Pro Line series blenders boast 11 speeds, as well as the recipe program settings, soups, smoothies, and juice. Some models offer more color options than others. Makers who coordinate their space by color should explore the K400 variable speed blender, which comes in an array of colors. Capacity, power, function, control, and color. 5 ways to decide, 5 ways in which KitchenAid blenders excel, no matter the model you choose. Explore more KitchenAid blenders and countertop appliances today at KitchenAid.com.